Assalamu alaikum students, it's me Nabila, your English teacher. Take out your books. We have done our unit number 2, reading and comprehension. Now we will do our book activities of unit number 2. So open your page number 19. Okay, here there is a question. Copy and complete the following. You will find the words in the passage, but try to do it without looking. Okay, Mike made sure to keep close to the old man, determinedly staying a step behind him. But he was not completely convinced that this was true. These lines have been taken from the different paragraphs of this story. So just we have to take accurate and proper words from the passage. See, third one is the heavy gate squeaked and screeched at it was swung open with some difficulty. The dark form leapt into the air urgently, scrambling to get off the sofa. Our next activity is which of the following words are incorrect? Correct the mistakes. Okay, correct the mistakes. So some words are correct and some are incorrect. So we have to correct the incorrect words. Collapsed, spelling of collapse is correct. So we just mark it tick. Obviously, it's a tick. Cacophony, correct spelling. Okay, and now the spelling of annoyed is wrong. ANNOYED. So underline this word and rewrite above this word rewrite the word again with correct spelling. Okay, next is apparent. The spelling of apparent is correct. Eliminated, the spelling of eliminated is wrong, so correct it. ILLUMINATED. Next is ferocious, so spelling is wrong. FEROCIOUS is a correct spelling. Scrawled spelling is SCRAWLED, the correct one. The next book activity is punctuation. So we use, as you know, punctuation help the structure of a sentence and help the reader understand that sentence or paragraph easily. And in punctuation we include commas, semicolon, colons, apostrophes, etc. So here they have given you the paragraph and you have to punctuate this paragraph. So this paragraph have been taken from page number 17. It's the last paragraph of page number 17. So open your page number 17. This is your page number 17. You can see here, this is your page number 17, and here you can see, can you be sure? So C will be capital, you be sure, we will add question mark here and close the ask Mike, M will be capital here. Sure of word, again question mark and apostrophe, ask Nabil, full stop. That he is asleep, question mark, we are just adding inverted commas here also. You can hear him snoring, thank you, question mark and inverted commas close हो रहे हैं. No, exclamation mark, whispered Mike, full stop. Are you sure that he doesn't remembered me, question mark and and we are closing inverted commas. So that's it. You have to do punctuation of this paragraph from page number 17. Okay, the next activity is verb and adverbs. Okay, make list of verbs and adverbs in the following passage. They have given you the paragraph, and in this paragraph we have to mention about our verbs and adverbs. Action words are called verbs, and adverbs are the words which modify verbs, adjectives, or sometimes nouns. So here we are underlining the words which are verb, and also we are underlining adverbs, and we are writing above the word about which were verbs and which are adverbs. Okay, so when they came is a verb, out of the church they gazed wondering, wondering is adverb, at the sword, round the stone they found these beautifully written letters of gold. Who pulled out this sword from this stone will be king of all Britain. All the men tried hard to pull out the sword, but no one could move it at all. Okay, that's it. We have completed our book activities of unit number 2. That's it for today. See you again. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.